Hi Cyberzpace family, it's Dilshan and today we are breaking down what a business website is and why it's a game changer for any business. Let's get started. So what exactly is a business website? Simply put, it's your company's digital storefront. It's where customers learn about your services, browse your products and get to know your brand. A business website typically includes essential pages like home page, about page, services or products, and contact information, and sometimes a blog. Each page serves a specific purpose, helping to guide visitors through your site. But it's not just about having pages. A good business website is designed to attract and engage visitors. This means clean design, easy navigation, and compelling content that speaks directly to your target audience. Think of your website as your best salesperson, available 247, providing information, answering questions, and encouraging visitors to take the action, whether that's making a purchase, booking a service, or contacting you. The benefits are huge. A business website increases your visibility, builds credibility, and can even boost your sales. Plus, it provides valuable insights into customer behavior through analytics. Here at Cyberzpace, we specialize in creating business websites that are not only beautiful but also effective. We handle everything from design to development, ensuring your website works hard for your business. So, if you are ready to elevate your business with professional website, hit that follow button, like this video, and share it with your friends. Let's build something amazing together. See you in the next video. Thank you.